Guys, it is stunning. Look at this. Today we're gonna try to hit this trail that I don't actually believe has been mapped yet. Something's chilling up here and just watching us. So we're gonna map it and camp at a hidden lake. Dude, how stable is this ground?
Wait, one last picture of you guys before you die.
Oh, nice. Wow.
So we're getting a bit of a predicament here of this tree that's down, but way up. The branches are down far enough, and I just don't know if it's going to kill one of us. Just resting like on the edge of it on that one, because I was supposed to just drive under it, and then Donnie's like, wait, stop. If you hit that fucking tree branch and it moves, it's going to fall right on us.
Yeah.
I wonder if we could go up the little hill, try to push it by hand and see if it
So what I was
rolls.
thinking is I would just drag my winch out, throw it around it,
Ooh, yeah.
and then just give it a tug.
Just do the old lasso.
Yeah. I mean, if I grab it right here,
Oh, yeah. You need more? Oh, no, you got it. There you go.
Want to hand me a D-ring?
Okay.
Jesse was gonna drive up under there. I'm like,
Yeah.
no, we're not.
I know. So I guess the idea is you're just gonna winch power it off that. It's gonna crack the base. You're good. Oh shit!
Watch out!
See if you can just winch this out of the way.
If you put it over on that end, maybe.
Might have to winch that out of the way. I was thinking against movement.
You think the three of us could just roll it? Yeah.
Okay. What? I love how, look at the camera. It doesn't even look like there's a fucking
No, it looks like a straight path.
like a fucking hill.
It looks just like a path. We gotta go up something like this, and then it just like attaches to the road right there too.
Attaches to the
You gotta
road.
climb a shelf up onto the road.
Okay. Let's take a look at that. Hey, puppies. Dude, this is so steep and it makes it look like it's just a little hill.
Dirt right here with a couple trails to go around. You can't really tell.
So
Unless
there's another road
Is there another one somewhere?
that shows. Oh, yours doesn't show it. Huh? Oh yeah, right there.
That one?
That dirt road. I was like, oh, maybe we're gonna go explore that.
Yeah.
But it says it runs up a ridge, so I don't know the other one though.
Oh, yeah, it goes up that way and then Jennings Falls.
Yeah. Why'd you just crawl over it? Okay.
That's perfect. Bueno.
That's a dip, bro.
Yeah, I saw that. That was crazy. What?
Do you need the saw? This is deep. What the fuck?
I just drug it out of the way and then back.
Okay. Okay, more? my god, that tree looks huge. I don't know. Okay.
That would be fun.
I mean, question is, do we even want to tackle this? I mean, if we're gonna make another cut, we might as well just do it at the trail. Why do it way up there?
I mean, you can.
Yeah, then you can just roll this end over.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, because if we cut it up there, it's just gonna create an angle that we can't even get over.
Let me get my clubs out first, though. Can you reach my clubs from that side? Yo, what? We're pulling it off so much. Yeah, I do. Right there where that little branch is sticking up.
Yeah. The safety's on.
Oh, no, man. That's a long ways up, bro.
You're good.
It's rolling on.
You did.
We're touching down already. All framed all good.
Nice.
Your front locker working? Your front locker working?
Oh, he's like high centered right now.
Yeah. You're gonna have to turn to the right as you come forward. Don't force it too much though. Just come as it goes. Yeah. There you go. Keep going. There you go. Okay, stop. Now go. This way. There you go.
That's skid, skid. Welcome to the party.
Here, you can sit down here because I'm gonna go cook.
No more baked beans.
I should have set up the table though. I'm kicking myself in the tail for not doing that.
Oh, I got your other plates, dude.
Huh?
I got your other plates.
Oh, I know. Trust me, I think about my plate. I'm like, where is it?
Ooh.
Yeah, some little $9 steaks. Not too
Dude,
bad.
he's like, what baked beans?
Right? It's stepping it up.
Dude.
And then Jude brought some shrimp.
What?
What do you think? Granola goes in before or after?
We said we'd try to find a reason to weather one more season.